You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words correctly in English. If you want to learn more confusing but useful vocabulary in English, stay tuned, I've got many more for you. The top word here is pronounced deaf. When you cannot hear very well, lacking the power of hearing, deaf, with an F sound, deaf. Somebody may be deaf, okay? He or she cannot hear properly, deaf. The bottom word is death. This has not an F sound, but a th sound. This is made with your tongue between your teeth. The TH sound, th, not F, th. Therefore, death. Death is obviously when someone dies. Death. So let's listen carefully at the difference between those two words. The top verb here is pronounced deaf. Deaf versus death. Can you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you soon for more. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.